Short story. My memories.
Memories are very important in everyone's life. For me too, those memories have become the baggage to step into the future life. In life, we must have made many mistakes. But thanks to those mistakes, I became more mature. That incident happened when I was in 5th grade. During a playtime, I skipped school with a group of friends and went out to play video games. But my teacher found out. She reminded us in front of the whole class. She also said that she would visit my parents to discuss the weekend. That made me feel very anxious. My father is very strict and difficult. Maybe he will beat me. I might even starve for a day. At the weekend, my teacher came to my house, but only my mother was at home and my father was on a business trip. She talked to my mother for about an hour and then left. I sat in my room with anxiety. After she left, my mother called me back to talk. Contrary to my mother's gentle attitude, I was annoyed and even argued with her. When she heard my words, she just kept silent. I saw my mother's sad eyes. The next day, I came home from school and found a letter on the desk. I opened the letter. Dad's familiar words appeared. My father's words made me feel very emotional. I realized that the things that my mother sacrificed for me were great. And I feel extremely regretful about the rude words at that time. That evening, after dinner, I asked to help my mother wash the dishes. When my parents sat watching television in the living room, I apologized to my parents. At first, the parents were surprised. But then, I felt my parents were very emotional. Both said, "It's okay, my dear daughter." I hugged my parents. Tears fall without knowing it. Family loves us unconditionally. Relatives will be tolerant and teach each person valuable lessons. This concept means a lot to me.